This is my presentation on the planet Saturn. Before I talk about Saturn, this is the solar system and where Saturn lives in it. In the solar system model, this is the size of the sun. In the distance to Mercury, Mercury would be about this big. And the distance to Venus, Venus would be about this big. And the distance to Earth, Earth would be this big. Here's where Mars would be. Mars would be this big. Over here! Here's Jupiter. Jupiter would be a ½ inch. And don't forget where the sun is, down by home plate on the baseball field. That brings us to the sixth planet in our solar system, Saturn. This is how far Saturn is from the sun in our model. Saturn is just a little bit smaller than Jupiter. Saturn is 870 million miles in the actual solar system. I made a bigger model to show what it looks like. Saturn is a pale yellow and brown color with streaks of faint band of clouds. From time to time, the giant storms on Saturn, which are the faint band of clouds, can be seen from a telescope on Earth. Saturn has rings around it. There are 3 main rings called the A, B, and C. All the rings are made up of dust, rocks, and ice. Saturn also has 62 moons orbiting around it. The planet Saturn's composition is liquid or slushy substances. The atmosphere is made of hydrogen and helium. Water is present on Saturn, but there are no volcanic activities. The surface temperature is cold. It averages to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. It has an elliptical orbit around the sun. Its revolution period is 29.4 Earth years. Its rotation period, or length of day, is 10.6 hours. So there you have it, the planet Saturn. I am Morgan Mayer, reporting from Tyler Run Elementary School Playground. And the distance to Earth, Earth would be this big. This big. I'm thinking it's not going to be wet. I'll be fine.
What are we doing?
Going to Saturn.
We're going to Saturn?
Yeah.
How far away is Saturn? 500 feet from home plate?
Uh-huh.
Point to where Saturn is.
Over there.
By the trees?
Yep. 3 main rings called the A, B, and C. All the rings are made up of dust, rocks, and ice. The surface temperature is cold and averages of negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a wrap!